Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your Week 10 screencast video. I'm going to try to cover a lot of material today, so please bear with me. First off, I want to point out an important fact that the last day to withdraw from this class with a grade of a W is Friday, April 19th. I've already sent this announcement out a couple of times, so please take a look at your standing in the course, how much work you've done or not done over the course of the last 10 weeks, 9 weeks. And please, after that date, I can only issue you the grade that you deserve in this class according to the grading policy and grading scale that is illustrated in this syllabus. All right. So here we are once again. We're in week 10 and we're in the drafting week. First drafts will be due on Tuesday. Peer reviews will be due on Friday, and the final drafts and blog posts will be due for SA3 on Sunday. Then we'll move on to our last unit, Unit 4, before the end of the semester. So, heading over to the course unit, if we ever get there. All right, looking into the proposal unit, one item I want to point out period, is I hope everybody's been viewing the videos for using and citing sources, understanding plagiarism, and also an introduction to the MLA style 8th edition. Everybody has done their readings and their topics are pretty impressive so far through the discussion boards, and a lot of good discussions on the discussion boards all across the board, all the way across the board, I should say, in this particular unit. So take a good look and a good read of the proposal instructions. Okay, this is a proposal argument. This is a problem solution. Okay, you should present your problem, and, that is of consequence and manageable scale, with the problem's causes and effects, and then move on after you have established the problem to the solutions. All right. Solutions should get probably as much, if not more, attention in this particular essay assignment, because once the problem is established, the real meat in order to get people to take action and solve the problem will be in your solutions and your discussion of the solutions. All right. You can draw on your own personal experiences, because I do pose the idea that you should, in the topic, a problem you have experienced so far in attending community college. A lot of students have written about some of the experiences that they have had. That is going to continue through the draft. You can use your personal experience as academic evidence. Just use it principally as a source, like you would. Okay, use it to support your thinking. All right. I'm looking to, once again, avoid sweeping generalizations or inaccurate assertions. Make sure you are accurate and thoroughly thought out your solutions before you put those ideas forward. Now, one thing I want to really stress here is that everybody should also, once again, before drafting, take a look at the principles of citations about attribution and announcing your sources, the cross-reference to match your works cited, page. Also, I have a draft example here, a proposal example that you can take a look at for some sort of an idea of how to structure the proposal assignment. Once again, it is a student example. I can never find a perfect student example, so please don't copy it bit by bit. There are flaws in that, like with any student writing. There are always flaws. So please be sure to refer back to the instruction in the course unit, what we've been talking about citation and works cited page. Reread the assignment one more time. One thing I do want to point out that I have uploaded, and I'm hoping everybody had a chance to take a look at, is the organizational outline for the proposal argument. I give you two alternatives to open the particular essay for your introduction. One is always the anecdotal, where you draw on your own experiences in higher education and may provide some context for your problem. For example, if you have experienced stress and anxiety and that is your topic, certainly a story about your experiences will find your way, is probably one of the best ways into your particular topic. Or if it's an obscure type of a problem that you have, one you feel that the general public is not knowledgeable about, you might want to provide some background information about your particular topic. So you want to have a guiding point or a thesis. What is the main point of your draft? A thesis can be as simple as stating the problem and providing an overview of the solution or solutions. Also, the main section will be stating and dramatizing the problem. So you want to establish the seriousness, okay, and the consequentiality of the problem. Right? You need to provide some evidence for the seriousness of your problem. Data from sources is a real good example of there. Some of the information from your three sources are real life experiences. And then you have to provide some solutions, right? Some things that are achievable, are viable solutions that would solve your problem. Hopefully you have some evidence to back up your solutions from from some of your sources. But remember, this is largely a problem solution format, and the solution should get equal coverage here, all right? And then some sort of a wrap up and a closing. And I ask everybody to always look at the principles of citation and make sure you have a works cited page on your essay draft. I'll try to get to essay drafts as quick as I can this week so I can provide some feedback for those in the drafting process that can give me some time. The more time you give me, the more opportunity that I have to review a first draft. So as always, the first draft is worth up to 25 points, and you can upload that here in the first draft assignment. Let's see, I think I've got it all covered. Everybody looks like they've got some interesting topics and sources. Hopefully this unit will come together, and then we'll talk at the end of the week in the next screencast about the Weebly ethnography and how to go about really thinking about your favorite musical genre. All right, so that'll be our last unit where we'll finish the semester. Once again, if you have any questions or issues, send me an email. Good luck.